KDM is now already bringing in about 18 companies into Mangalore over the past 12 months. So almost roughly we're looking at about one company coming in every month. So I think that is a really progressive way in which KDM is functioning and is making sure that technology companies come here, employment comes here, jobs are created out here. And these are not low-end jobs, right? These are GCC level companies which are coming over here and doing work. So I think a lot of good work is being done by KDM and taking the whole Beyond Bangalore initiative, not just keeping it on paper, but physically coming out to places like Bangalore, Hubli, Mysore, Dharwad, Belgaum, and making sure that Karnataka goes beyond Bangalore, and whatever dream we have of being a $3 billion industry or $3 billion economy in the digital sense, it's not going to happen only in Bangalore, it's going to happen outside. And in this, I think the work which KDM is doing is really appreciable.